Can you imagine an AI that predicts your food cravings? Or a kitchen assistant robot that perfectly sautés, simmers, and stirs for you? The times are changing, and the fusion of AI and cooking is transforming our gastronomical experiences. Today, we're going to uncover how this technological marvel is reshaping the way we cook and eat, making our kitchens smarter, our meals healthier, and our lives more convenient. But wait, if you're excited about artificial intelligence, futuristic tech, and how it's shaping our world, then hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. You'll become part of a community that loves exploring these subjects, and you won't miss any of our future content. AI in the kitchen. Artificial intelligence is now weaving its way into every nook and cranny of our lives, including our kitchens. Cooking, an essential human activity that has evolved over thousands of years, is now receiving a tech facelift. From recipe recommendations to precision cooking, AI is proving to be a game changer. This novel blend of technology and gastronomy is creating smart kitchens where devices are interconnected, decisions are data-driven, and cooking is becoming a precise, informed process. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI is bridging the gap between technology and taste, providing us with new ways to engage with food and streamline our kitchen activities. Smart kitchen appliances. Enter a new era of cooking with smart kitchen appliances. These AI-powered machines are not just limited to being voice-responsive or setting cooking times. We're talking about smart ovens that can recognize the food you put in and adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly. Or intelligent fridges that can keep track of your food stock and suggest recipes based on what you have. There are even smart scales that calculate nutritional information of the ingredients you're using. These intelligent tools offer personalized, intuitive cooking experiences, making our time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. Personalized diets. Health and nutrition are becoming more personalized than ever, and AI is playing a crucial role in this evolution. AI algorithms can now analyze our health data, understand our dietary needs, allergies, and preferences, and then suggest meal plans tailored specifically for us. These plans aren't just based on calories or generic nutritional facts. They take into account our unique metabolic reactions, gut microbiome, and lifestyle to provide truly personalized recommendations. In this way, AI is not just helping us eat, but guiding us towards healthier eating habits, ensuring that our meals are not just satisfying, but also beneficial for our long-term health and well-being. Recipe recommenders. Artificial intelligence is lending its predictive powers to the culinary world through intelligent recipe recommenders. These systems analyze data from various sources, such as the ingredients you have in your kitchen, your preferred cuisines, past cooking history, and even time of the day to suggest recipes that you might enjoy. These AI-powered recommenders learn from your choices, constantly improving their suggestions over time. So whether you're a seasoned chef looking for creative inspiration or a novice cook seeking step-by-step guidance, these intelligent systems can help turn your kitchen experiments into a culinary success. AI and sustainability. Sustainability is a pressing concern in the culinary industry, and AI is proving instrumental in addressing this issue. By monitoring food consumption and storage habits, AI can help reduce food waste by suggesting meals based on what you have on hand, alerting you about expiring products, and even assisting in portion control. Furthermore, AI-driven hydroponic systems are optimizing plant growth, reducing water use, and enabling more sustainable home farming. These intelligent applications go beyond improving our individual kitchens. They have the potential to significantly lessen our ecological footprint and contribute to a more sustainable food ecosystem. Robots in the kitchen. Robotics powered by AI are making their way into our kitchens, performing tasks with a level of precision and consistency hard to achieve by humans. From robotic arms that can chop, stir, and sauté, to entire robot chefs that can prepare a meal from scratch, these innovations are revolutionizing how we cook. These kitchen robots can replicate the techniques of professional chefs, learn new recipes, and even clean up after cooking. While they may not replace the joy and creativity of human cooking, they certainly offer a fascinating glimpse into the future, where gourmet meals could be just a robot away. Future prospects. The future of AI in the kitchen is brimming with possibilities. As these technologies become more integrated and sophisticated, we could see fully automated kitchens where meal preparation is optimized to fit our schedules, dietary needs, and taste preferences. Personalized nutrition could reach new heights, with AI systems capable of adjusting recipes based on real-time health data. Even shopping could become more efficient, efficient, with intelligent systems managing our grocery lists and even placing orders for us based on our cooking habits and pantry stocks. The convergence of AI and cooking may well transform our kitchens into spaces where technology and gastronomy unite to redefine our culinary experiences. Challenges and limitations. Despite its potential, AI in the kitchen also faces several challenges and limitations. While AI can make cooking more efficient, it can also make it impersonal, possibly taking away from the joy and creativity of cooking. The reliance on technology could also lead to a loss of traditional cooking skills. In terms of accessibility, these technologies are currently expensive and might not be affordable to the average consumer. There are also concerns about data privacy, as these AI systems collect a wealth of personal information. Finally, as with all AI technology, there is a learning curve and potential for technical glitches that could disrupt the cooking process. These issues underscore the need for careful and thoughtful integration of AI into our culinary spaces. We hope you've enjoyed this enlightening exploration of the intersection between artificial intelligence and culinary arts. As we've seen, the potential for AI in the kitchen is vast, from personalized meal plans to sustainable practices and robotic sous chefs. But it's also crucial that we navigate this technological evolution with caution, ensuring it enhances our experiences rather than diminishing them. Before you whisk off, please hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on the latest tech trends transforming our everyday lives. We've only just scratched the surface of what AI has to offer, and there's so much more to discover. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts and foodies. Let's continue to learn, grow, and cook together in this exciting era of AI.